Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log into your NYT Games account using the NYT Games application on your mobile device. First of all, download and open up the NYT or New York Time Games app on your device, and you will then be able to see this games page. Tap on the gear button at the top right corner from the home screen, and within the account info section, tap on login. Now you can go ahead and log in or create an account. To continue logging into your existing account, type down your email address or choose one of the options at the bottom that says continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'm gonna choose email address. Type down your email address in the text box associated with your NYT Games account and then tap on continue with email. On the next page, type down your password associated with your account and then tap on You Agree at the bottom. Right after you do that, you will then be able to sign into your existing account. Once logged in, you can have full access to all your games and saved progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.